Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here. We're looking at Tesla. A lot of premium in here. So you can see I have a few shares left in this account. I have 220 long. And I also have a put at 330. And Tesla's up today. So here's what I want to do. I want to see if I can get some more Tesla going on in this account. So let's take a look at the options here. We're on TradeStation. Pretty good application. I like it. Now on the upside, it looks like $7. The downside, $5.80. All right. So I could do a put and a call. If I go out another week, it's $9.20 and $10.80. Interesting. So that's not really worth it right there. It's currently 315 to 330 is the window we're in. If you look up at the top of the screen. Okay, and it's currently at 318.45. So that's kind of the range. All right, so the current price is $327.30. All right. $327.30. So if I go here, right, and there, to strangle. Let's see how much premium that gives me for the week. About $1,400 for the week. That's pretty decent. So at risk is about 32,000. So, okay, I'll take that deal. If I could do that every week and be successful, that would be a good deal because that's more than 100% interest. All right, let's go back and look at the account. All right, so back here. Now, this is a new thing for TradeStation. I don't know if you guys have seen this yet. So they put straddle in here, and then they put all the options under that. So I'm not sure if I like this yet. Just give it some separation. So it's kind of cool. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. All right, you can see here, I have August 1st expirations all across the board at 330. And 327. Well, that wasn't very smart, was it? I got a put at 330, and then I have a call at 327. That's a little upside down, guys. All right, I guess I need to go back to school for options trading 101. If you guys saw my options trading 101 class, you typically don't want to do that. But I just made $1,400, so that's pretty good. Let's see. We're currently at a cost basis of 324. So I'm okay with that. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. What do you guys think of Tesla in the future? I mean, I like their cars. I don't own one currently, just because of the whole range anxiety thing. If they had a 1,000-mile range or at least a 500 or 600-mile range, I'd be okay with it. What do you guys think in the comments below? Let me know. What's your outlook on Tesla and the robots and the future of AI? I also have a couple AI deals going. Hey, be sure to subscribe to the channel and see all the new trades coming in real time. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.